Okay, the loop by Mimicking Birds. You're going to need to tune the last couple strings of your guitar. So this one here, the 6th, 5th, 4th, and 3rd. You're gonna tune it to this. Next string. Okay, and there's that. Alright, now here's what you do. You're gonna play an open note first on the 6th string, then you're gonna go to the 2nd fret of the 4th string, and then you're gonna slide it up to the 4th fret. So, like this. Open. And then that same fret, you're gonna play the 3rd string. Hammer on to the 5th fret of that 3rd string. Pull off back to where you were real quick, because then you're gonna, after you do that pull off back to where you were, you're gonna do an open 3rd string, and here's how that sounds. That last note is just when you're preparing for the next part. You're gonna get back on that 4th fret of the 4th string, because now you're gonna slide up to the 6th fret, and play the 4th string and the 3rd string. Sounds a little dissonant. Real simple. Oops, sorry. Now, you're gonna bring that middle finger back in here, and you're gonna play that the 3rd string of the 7th fret. And the last thing you're gonna do is just slide it all the way down to the 2nd fret. Alright. Kind of a bad teacher, sorry. But yeah, I think that should do it.